Here we have the BMW 6-speed ZF S6-53 manual gearbox adapter selector top add-on. This is for our adapter kit, and it allows you to fit a Land Rover LT230 or R380 Defender selector top onto the BMW gearbox, used in conjunction with our kit. So there's a few different bits here. Obviously you've got a blue plate, the stainless steel plate, two fasteners that go with the stainless steel plate, the diff lock loop, and then you've got the gearbox quadrant, the roll pin to go with the gearbox quadrant, and then the selector top quadrant and its roll pin as well. And then there's also a fastener there for the diff lock pin. So the blue plate houses the diff lock pivot, and then the selector top is mounted to the gearbox with this plate here, and the two fasteners bolt it down. These are the quadrants, so these are different to the selector top quadrant that's on there, and then the diff lock loop just sort of allows you to get your diff lock set up right.